This is the snack pack shuffle the internet didn't know it needed, and yes, it's deliciously chaotic. In true TrendBlink fashion, punchy cuts collide with a hype beat as a crinkling bag erupts into confetti. Gen Z humor peaks when each flavor earns a mood, from drama latte to chill avocado, while a tiny crunch punctuates punchlines. Sharp edits land on the beat every time, bold captions pop, and the color punch makes every texture pop. Subscribe for more trends, drop your favorite snack remix in comments, and tell us how you'd spin this into a sequel.